Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a drone tour of the construction going on at 58 HWT Road. It's being built at a tech park and this is a 10-floor building. Now this is actually the largest call center building in Jamaica. You have call centers in other areas, but this is the largest building built for call centers. Usain Bolt has a building on HWT Road, but it's not 10 floors. And Usain Bolt is building one on Hope Road, but that is either 4 or 5 floors. This is 10 floors. I think it's over 80,000 square feet rentable space. This is the largest one. And this facility at 58 HWT Road actually has call centers operating there already. As we fly around the building, you're going to see a 4 or 5 floor white building. That's a call center. Actually, there are 5 buildings in this complex and 4 out of the 5 are used for call centers. So this building goes to show you how the call center industry in Jamaica is growing. It's actually booming. This building actually has so much space that they're looking to diversify and use other businesses in there as well, other than call centers. But as much space as a call center needs, they can get it in here. Very nice building. And I have to say, this building is moving at a fast pace. It's a Chinese contractor. I'm not sure if it's China Harbour Engineering Company or another contractor, but I know when it comes on to roads, China Harbour Engineering Company is the only Chinese contractor that builds roads in Jamaica. Actually, they are the only contractor that builds the highways and main roads in Jamaica. But when it comes on to the buildings, you have a lot of other Chinese companies that have started to do construction in Jamaica. Building construction, and you have a lot of local companies that also do it, but this massive building is a Chinese contractor and it is moving. I mean, by the time you blink your eyes, this building is finished. Okay, as we fly around the building now, that white building coming into the picture, that also operates as a call center. That building is finished, and this one should finish sometime next year. But as you know, deadlines in Jamaica, I hate to say it, they don't mean much. Like the roads that they're building, you put a deadline December comes, it isn't finished. You go to April, you go to August, you go back to December, and when it's finished, it's finished. But that's a very nice building, that white building. Massive building also. And call centers, they like the floor layout, just like an open floor where they put the cubicles, and that's it. Because that's the layout that works well with call centers. Just an open floor with everybody doing their thing in a cubicle. Alright, we're going to just show you some more of the complex. Massive tech park, 58 HWT Road. That building straight ahead now, that's the Flow office. That used to be the head office for Cable and Wireless at one point in Jamaica. But Cable and Wireless rebranded as Flow. Or maybe they were bought out. It was so long ago, I don't remember. But I know that it started with TOJ, Telephone Company of Jamaica, and then Cable and Wireless bought them out. And Cable and Wireless was an English company. They operated phone networks all over the Caribbean. And then Digicel came and Cable and Wireless rebranded, or they were bought out and turned into Flow. Alright guys, well thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. You can leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.